So for our next question, we need to complete the table with reference to the stages of the human evolution. So we see there are 3 columns over here in the table. First column talks about the time period, the different time periods of evolution. Second talks about the specific changes that happened in that particular time period. And the third talks about the type of evolution, the type of humans that develop. So first, 7 crore years ago, what happened was various mammals started to evolve, right? And this type of evolution was monkey-like animals had begun to evolve. So this was the first stage in our evolution. Next, we fast forward to 2 crore 50,000 years or 50 lakh years ago. Over here what happened was evolution of the gorillas and chimpanzee-like apes happened. And the specificity in the evolution over here was they started to use their hands more to do other kinds of work, because opposable thumbs had developed so that they could grab onto the branches to jump from one tree top to another. A very important point in our evolution. Next is 2 crore years ago. Again, fast forwarding a few million years over here. So walking on 2 legs or semi-erect and developed lumbar bones. So the specific type of evolution over here is the first human animals that started to walk with erect posture, right? Their vertebral column started to become straighter and straighter as they had to walk more and more on land. Next is 15 lakh years ago. The type of evolution is human-like animals that belong to the genus Homo had developed. Now the specification is the humans that walked with erect posture evolved. Before this, they were semi-erect. They were not completely standing straight. Now they are walking with an erect posture. Then there's 1 lakh years ago, upright walking humans with enlargement of the brain and the use of fire. The type of evolution over here is the evolution of the upright man, right? So that's what we call it. Next is 50,000 years ago. The type of evolution is the Cro-Magnon man, and the specification over here is faster evolution than earlier, because the environment in which we started to live started changing very fast. So we had to evolve accordingly, right? Hence faster evolution happened over here. And finally, 10,000 years ago, the type of evolution is the wise man, Homo sapien. The specification of this particular evolution is we started to practice agriculture, we started to rear cattle herds, and we established large cities. So these are the different stages of human evolution.